Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a top handle camera. First, understand that a top handle offers superior ergonomics for low-angle shooting, reducing strain on your wrists and arms. To attach it, securely fasten the handle to your camera's top plate or cage using 2 or 3 mounting points, ensuring it's rock solid. Then, position your hand comfortably over the grip, allowing your arm to extend naturally for optimal balance and control during operation. To achieve maximum stability, always employ a two-hand grip whenever possible, with one hand on the top handle and the other supporting the lens or camera body. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your torso. This creates a natural, human tripod, significantly minimizing camera shake. Practice smooth, deliberate movements, avoiding jerky motions, especially when panning or tilting, to ensure your footage remains consistently cinematic and professional. The top handle truly shines for capturing unique low-angle perspectives, allowing you to get the camera just inches from the ground for dramatic shots. Use it for dynamic tracking shots, following subjects at their eye level, or even for creative push-ins and pull-outs. Experiment with different angles and movements. For instance, try a subtle upward arc as you track, adding a sense of scale and immersion to your visual storytelling. Beyond just gripping, the top handle is a versatile mounting point. Attach essential accessories like an external monitor for better viewing or a shotgun microphone for superior audio capture, using its multiple cold shoe mounts or 1/4-20 threads. Always balance your entire camera rig after adding accessories to ensure comfortable, fatigue-free shooting, especially during longer takes. Finally, regularly check all screws and connections to prevent any accidental dislodging of your valuable equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.